everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial. So if your File Explorer or Windows Explorer is not responding and it hangs and you want to fix those, please do finish watching this video because this video is for you. So let's begin with the task manager. So we can open the task manager by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to task manager options. Once you click on that, you will see this task manager window coming up. So here we will look for Windows Explorer. So it could be in the under apps or it could be under background processes. So if you see below apps the Windows Explorer option, all you need to do is just select it and then make a right click on that, and then if you see a restart button, please click on that so that the Windows Explorer will be restarted. So let me just look for my Windows Explorer here, or File Explorer. So since I don't have the Windows Explorer option, I will just let you see how you can do it. Oh, this one, I have found it. So here, all we need to do is just select on that and then make a right click. And if you see the restart button, just click on restart and the Windows Explorer will be restarted. Okay, so once you're done with this one, let us now close this one and we will proceed with resetting the default options. We can do that by making a right click or making a search here in the search tab, File Explorer. And you will see under Best Match the File Explorer, and you will see in the settings the File Explorer option. So please click on File Explorer options. Once you do that, this small window will be coming up. Here we have the General tab, the View tab, and the Search tab. All we need to do is just to restore the defaults in each of the tab here. So if you click on General tab, at the very bottom part, you will see the Restore Defaults option. So please click on that. Once you do that, go ahead with the View tab and then click again the Restore Defaults, and lastly, go to Search and click on Restore Defaults. Now, once you do that, you can click on Apply button and then click on OK. After doing that, you can now close this window. So the next thing we need to do is to repair the computer, and all we need to do is just to run a command in the command prompt. So here in the Windows Search tab again, we need to type CMD, and if you see command prompt under Best Match, please click on the Run as Administrator option. So please click on that. Once you do that, this user account control window will be coming up on your screen, and here we need to type, or we need to click on Yes to proceed. So once you do that, you will see a black screen in your screen. So here we need to type SFC. This is a system file checker, SFC /scannow. Again, it's SFC /scannow. Now, once you're done typing, you can now click on Enter and it will begin the system scan. So this process will take some time. Let's just wait for the verification process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, we can now restart the computer, and then you will see that the File Explorer in your Windows will be fixed. Okay, so this might take some time. Okay, again, so once this is now 100% complete, all you need to do is just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you again in the next one. Bye bye.